All right, well, I have my SVT Focus here with some of the world's foggiest headlights here. Obviously, they've aged and are cloudy now and just hazy. You just can't hardly see through them. And when they're on, the whole lens glows. So just kind of a bad look. And this is a daily driver car, so I'm not about to be fully sanding and clear coating and doing all that work. So I bought this little system here. The reason I bought it is it says no tools or sandpaper, and so it is literally just wiping and scrubbing, maybe, is hopefully what it is. So inside the package is all these little pouches. The orange ones, there's 4 of those are the step 1s, and then there's the step 2s, which are like a sealant. So I'm going to try this system out, and obviously I understand that it probably won't last, but I'm just looking for a quick fix here to make this thing look a little better, and just try this out. Alright, so I wiped them off with just a general purpose cleaner to make sure there's no bugs or anything on there. And then per the instructions, it says open the pouch and remove the wipes. Scrub the headlight with firm, even pressure, horizontal back and forth. They seem pretty darn dry, these wipes. You can see it's coming off already. Alright, so this towel is basically dry at this point, and it's like gripping on the actual lens. So I'm gonna get just another one of the scrubbers and try it. They got 4 in the pack, so what the heck, $8, let it burn, right? Alright, so this lens, I worked it back and forth a bunch of times to where now these are basically dry. Just the heat of my hand basically dried it up to, it's basically a dry paper towel at this point. And so now I'm going to take this step 2, and per the instructions, just says open and pull out the wipe. Apply to the headlight surface by wiping in one direction, similar to applying a coat of paint. One wipe will coat 2 headlights, but use additional sealant wipe if needed. Avoid contact with painted surfaces. Alright, so it's been about, I don't know, 3 minutes, and the clarity is not exactly right. I mean, you can see my reflection right now, so that's definitely better than what it was. But there's like a blotch. There's like a blotch down here that doesn't look good, and it's a little hazy, like right in the middle here. But I don't know, for 5 minutes of work, it's definitely better than the other one that's sitting over here. But I wouldn't say that it looks good or anything. So I'm going to let this sit for 3 hours as the instructions say, and then I might come out here and recoat it. I'm not really sure what I'll do, but I definitely am going to start cleaning on the other one. Alright, now it's been about 20 minutes, and you can see the clarity has definitely improved. There's where we came from. So, you know, it might not be perfect, but for $8, how can you beat that? Alright, so it's been 3 hours here, and you can see the clarity is, it's so-so. Definitely room for improvement there, but for the, you know, basically, I don't know, 10 minutes a light that I spent, I think that's a fair trade. $8 of price, that's nothing anybody's gonna whine about. So these headlights are, one of the previous owners got in here, you can see, and was like painting on the inside, painted the housings. They're kind of riced out a little bit. I don't know as though those were ever going to turn out to be a real 5-star product, but it's something. It's better than they were. Hopefully the beam is a little more usable and not just like a glowing orb like what it was. But I would definitely give it a shot and see if it makes your ride a little better. But this will be good enough for today and good enough for just a regular old work car. So thanks for watching.